Sometimes the universe surprises us, not from distant galaxies, but from our own moon. It's easy to forget that our closest celestial neighbour still holds secrets, quietly waiting to be uncovered. The moon, so familiar in our night sky, has always seemed like an open book. Yet it continues to whisper mysteries we're only just beginning to hear. China's Chang'e 6 mission has returned with samples from the far side, a place no human mission has ever reached. This achievement marks a new era in space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible and expanding our reach to the most remote corners of our lunar companion. This is more than a technological feat, it's a scientific turning point. The far side of the moon, long hidden from our view, is now offering up its ancient secrets, and with them, the potential to rewrite what we know about our solar system's past. For decades, we thought the moon was geologically dead, its story complete. The Apollo missions brought back rocks from the near side, and for years those samples shaped our understanding of lunar history, but we had only ever studied one side. The far side remained a blank page, a silent witness to billions of years of cosmic history untouched and unexplored. Now, for the first time, a piece of the hidden hemisphere is in our labs telling a new story. Scientists are peering into these samples, searching for clues about the moon's formation, its volcanic past, and the impacts that have shaped its surface. The far side's ancient dust challenges our theories about the moon's and our solar system's history. Each grain could reveal new insights about the early days of our cosmic neighborhood and perhaps even about the origins of Earth itself. These samples are time capsules, holding secrets that will keep scientists busy for generations. Like explorers setting foot on a new continent, researchers are sifting through these rocks, hoping to find evidence of processes and events that have never been seen before. It's as if we've discovered a new continent on a world we thought we knew. The sense of wonder and possibility is palpable, reminding us that exploration is far from over. The chang'e 6 rocks force us to open a new chapter in lunar science. International teams are coming together, sharing knowledge and expertise, united by a common curiosity and a drive to understand our place in the universe. This is a moment for humanity to come together in awe and curiosity. The moon's far side is no longer a mystery, but an invitation, a call to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep reaching for the unknown. The universe still holds mysteries, and our quest for knowledge is only beginning. Each discovery opens new doors, and the journey ahead promises even more surprises. Let's listen to what the moon is finally ready to tell us. Its story is far from over, and neither is ours. The Chang'e 6 mission was a bold leap into the unknown. Its target, the South Pole Aitken Basin, the moon's largest and oldest crater. Landing on the far side meant overcoming the challenge of total radio silence from Earth. China solved this with a relay satellite, enabling communication across lunar distances. The probe landed, drilled, and collected nearly 2 kilograms of carefully chosen lunar soil and rock. Each layer of the sample is a page in the moon's history. The probe then launched itself back to orbit and returned its precious cargo to Earth. For the first time, we held material from the moon's hidden hemisphere. What we found inside would change everything we thought we knew. The first analyses of the Chang'e 6 samples stunned scientists. Inside the dust were grains of basalt, volcanic rock, dating back 4.2 billion years. This is direct evidence of ancient volcanic activity on the far side, far older than expected. Our models said the far side cooled quickly, but these rocks prove it stayed active much longer. The moon's internal heat lasted in ways we never predicted, reshaping its surface and atmosphere. The far side soil is chemically distinct from Apollo samples, revealing two different lunar worlds. We're no longer studying a single moon, but a world with two faces and two stories. The Far Side's autobiography is finally open for us to read. This discovery forces us to rewrite the moon's history. The near side's volcanic plains and the far side's cratered highlands were thought to be opposites, but ancient volcanism on the far side complicates this picture. Heat from the moon's interior reached the far side, even through its thick crust. Was it radioactive elements or the South Pole Aitken impact that triggered this activity? The new samples give us a precise date, refining how we date lunar surfaces and events. We're redrawing the moon's geological map, revealing a world with a dynamic, complex past. Even our closest neighbour still has the power to surprise us. The moon is our best record of the early solar system. Earth's first billion years are lost to erosion, but the moon preserves that ancient history. The 4.2 billion-year-old volcanic activity happened during the late heavy bombardment, when life may have been emerging on Earth. Understanding the moon's volcanism helps us model how planets form, cool and become habitable. If the moon was more active than we thought, it may have had a thin, temporary atmosphere, changing our view of the early Earth-Moon system. These rocks are a lost recipe for building worlds like ours. The South Pole Aitken Basin is now a prime target for future missions, perhaps even with astronauts. Chang'e 6 has opened a new era of exploration and discovery. The Chang'e 6 discovery electrified the global scientific community, sending ripples of excitement through research centres and universities across the globe. Scientists everywhere paused to marvel at the achievement, realizing that a new chapter in lunar exploration had just begun. China's willingness to share precious lunar samples has sparked unprecedented international collaboration. Researchers from many nations are now working side by side, analyzing the moon's secrets and sharing their findings, united by curiosity and a sense of possibility. For a moment the world looked up at the moon with new eyes, wondering what else might be waiting to be discovered and feeling a renewed connection to our nearest celestial neighbour. The mission inspired young people everywhere, proving that great discoveries are still possible. In classrooms and living rooms, children dreamed of becoming scientists, astronauts and explorers, their imaginations ignited by the promise of space. It also marked China as a leader in space, prompting new conversations about lunar exploration and the future of humanity beyond Earth. Other nations took notice, eager to participate in this new era of discovery. Some see competition, but this is really a collective chase for knowledge, a global effort to understand our universe and our place within it. The moon belongs to all of us, a shared heritage and a source of wonder that has inspired humanity for generations, and will continue to do so for generations to come. This discovery is a gift to humanity, a puzzle piece for everyone to study. Each new insight brings us closer to understanding the history of our solar system. It's a rare moment of unity, reminding us of our place in the cosmos and the power of working together for a common goal. The moon's story is now a story for the whole world, a symbol of what we can achieve when we look up, dream big and reach for the stars together. Some discoveries do more than add to our knowledge. They change our perspective. They remind us that our place in the universe is not fixed, but constantly evolving as we learn more. Each new finding invites us to see ourselves in a broader cosmic context, to ask bigger questions about where we come from and where we are going. The moon's complex volcanic history makes it a world in its own right, not just a satellite. Its ancient lava plains and mysterious craters tell a story of fiery beginnings and dramatic change, revealing a dynamic past that rivals any planet. The same forces that shape the moon shape planets everywhere, connecting us to the universe. Volcanism, impacts and shifting crusts are universal processes, linking our small world to distant planets and moons across the solar system. By studying the moon, we learn the language of planet formation. Each rock and crater is a clue, helping us decode the history of not just our moon, but of Earth and other worlds as well. This is a lesson in humility. Our models were incomplete and nature is always more surprising. The moon continues to challenge our assumptions, forcing us to rethink what we thought we knew. The scientific process is about revising our ideas as new evidence emerges. It's a journey of constant questioning, testing and discovery, where every answer leads to new mysteries. Chang'e 6 shows how one bold mission can rewrite decades of thought. It demonstrates the power of exploration and the importance of daring to ask new questions, even when the answers may surprise us. This new understanding enriches our story as explorers and learners. It inspires future generations to look up, to wonder, and to seek their own answers among the stars. We are part of a solar system 4.6 billion years old, just beginning to read its oldest chapters. Our journey of discovery is only at its dawn, with so much more to uncover. Our curiosity connects us to the stars, driving us to explore, to learn, and to find our place in the vastness of the cosmos. The message in this ancient lunar dust is one of endless possibility. The universe still holds secrets, and we've only just begun to uncover them. The age of exploration is far from over. It's moving to new frontiers. Space exploration is a challenge best met together through global collaboration. The knowledge from chang'e 6 is a treasure for all humanity. Let's keep our sense of wonder alive and support those who push the boundaries of knowledge. The future depends on our willingness to explore and learn together. The universe's story is still being written and we all have a part to play. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.